What's up, everyone? My name is Mr. Letendre. I am the music teacher at Agnes E. Little Elementary School, and I am here to welcome you to this tutorial video on how to log into your Google account and to log in or join a Google Classroom. As many of you know, we are all being asked to have some sort of plan in place for distance learning, and many of our teachers, most of our teachers at this point, if not all of our teachers, have created their Google Classrooms, have had content posted on those classrooms. So if you haven't joined them yet and you don't know how to, this video is here to help you. So with that said, I've got everything ready. We're going to record the screen as we go so that you can make sure that your screen looks just like my screen. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is open up a browser. In this case, I use Google Chrome. I'm going to open up Google Chrome. I'm going to make it fill the screen. And if you don't know where to go to sign into Google, start by just a basic Google search where we type Google account login. And that's going to do a search that'll bring us to the page that we want to go. The first link that you see will take you to this page. And this is where we're going to log in. If you've already logged in before, you might see another account. If you have not yet logged into the account that you're trying to log in, for many of you it's student accounts, go ahead and put that in. For me, my account is my last name, first name, Letendre N at psdri.net. And I am going to click next, and that's going to ask me for my password. That's where you're going to put your password in. And then from there, you're logged in. And in this case, it opened up this tab for me, this icon, which brings up this other list. Now, if that doesn't come up, just go right up to the top here, and you'll see it has what looks like some kind of tic-tac-toe icon. But it's just your apps icon, basically saying if you click on that, it's going to open up all the apps. In this case, we're going to use Google Classroom. So when I click it, it's going to bring me to my Google Classroom account, which already has quite a few Google Classrooms that I've logged into. If you're adding a brand new class, you're going to go right up to the top here to the right, and you'll see this plus sign. Click that plus sign, and it will ask you to either join class or create class. In this case, for many of you, we're just going to choose join class. From here, you're going to put your class code in. Now, I've got a class code that I'm going to use. I have our librarian's class code, one of her class codes, Mrs. Sweet. And when I do that, you'll see that it says it's joining the classroom. And once you do, brings up the classroom that you wanted to join, and you are in. If you have any questions, if any of this was a little confusing and you're still having trouble, maybe you clicked the wrong link, got lost somewhere, no problem. Feel free to contact any of us. My email address, letendren@psdri.net. I can give you a hand if you need it. There are plenty of teachers and staff available to provide any help that you need. Hope this video helped. That's it. Until next time.